In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete your Shopify store. Now that's today's video. All you have to do, guys, you want to open your Shopify. Now after you open your Shopify, guys, click on shopify.com. Now make sure that you actually want to delete your Shopify store, because it will delete all products and all the data. So if you are sure that you want to delete your Shopify store, all you have to do, guys, you want to just click at the very bottom left. You want to click on settings, okay? Now after you click on settings, you will find here a few different options here, like store details, plan. What you need to do, guys, next you want to click on plan, as you can see, second option. Now after you click on plan, if you paid for a plan, like if you have like a basic plan or advanced plan, and you want to delete your Shopify store, now you want to click on deactivate subscription. Like for me, because I don't have any plan, it says for me deactivate trial, because I am still using the 15 days trial, free trial. Now for you, it will say there deactivate subscription or delete store or something like that. Just click it, this red button here, click on it, and then it will ask you for a reason. Click on deactivate your store and then give them a reason. For example, I am not making enough sales, and then after that you want to click on continue and just follow the steps. And that's exactly, guys, how it works on Shopify. If you want to delete your store, it will be inactive and nobody's going to be able to see your store anymore. Now if you want to transfer the permission to someone, like you want to transfer this store to someone else, you want to transfer the ownership, just click on users and permissions and then click transfer ownership and put here the email, the new store owner, the password. Now if you want to delete, like I said, your Shopify store, just click on plan, and that's exactly what you need to do, guys, and then click deactivate subscription. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Drop a like if this video helped you. Drop a like.